Hello people, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Join, let's cook this mixed pasta recipe. Some water. I added the mixed pasta that I'll cook for 6 minutes. The cooking length is 9 minutes. Salt, some olive oil, and I'll give it a quick stir. So I would like to cook for 6 minutes. Here it is cooked. I'll turn off the gas. So here is my meat oil, turkey and chicken that I cooked yesterday. I added in onion, ginger, shallot, tomato, garlic, mixed paprika, cabbage, oregano. Then the meat that you saw inside the oil of the turkey and chicken, some seasoning cube. I added in the pasta water. All my returnees, thank you for coming. I really do appreciate. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of our family. So I will add in the pasta. So I will stay together. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos you might find helpful. Cooking videos, health recipe, family lifestyle, baking videos. Feel free to check it out and see for yourself. Follow us, turn on the post notification so that when we upload you'll be notified. So I stayed together and I added in salvio herb, rosemary, and bay leaf. So I give it a quick stir. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Ladybvarieties is the name. So here our pasta is ready. I garnished it with parsley and olive oil.